Hello to all our guests. Welcome to 2021 Online Taiwan Expo in India. I'm your host, Andy Lee. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, countries are seeking out new business models. Taiwan has stood firm during this challenging time, thanks to its excellent performance. Businesses has proven their technology and manufacturing are a crucial component in the world's industries. In the face of a challenging market, they have tapped into new demand and provided products. This is what enterprises need for navigating the industry. India is Taiwan's 11th biggest partner for robot exports. And recently, local manufacturing is starting to pick back up with the relaxing of COVID-related restrictions. This also impacts the need for industries to upgrade. Taiwan can stand as an important partner to fulfill India's needs by supplying fine products to assist India in automating manufacturing. Over the course of this event, we will be introducing 4 Taiwan Excellence brands, along with their latest products. These companies show Taiwan's excellence in smart robotics and automation. The first Taiwan Excellence company I'd like to introduce is Aver.
Hello, my friends. This is Carl from Aver Information. Have you ever been to Aver? Let's go. Aver is a worldwide enterprise. We have 4 branch offices and over 100 sales representatives around the world. We are not just a product maker, we are a solutions provider. And we have 2 departments providing different solutions. First department focuses on education and professional audio and video. And the second department focuses on video conferencing.
When a camera is working with too many objects, it can't determine what the focal point is, leading to a blurry image. Aver can provide a solution for this problem.
So I will start with education and the Pro AV part. In this post-pandemic era, distance learning and hybrid learning have become the new normal. More and more universities need to broadcast or stream the lecture online. So let's see how Aver solves this problem and helps the teachers and the students adapt to the new normal. A simple question comes to us: why Aver? Let me give you the answer. Aver is a award-winning brand dedicated to education industry over 20 years. We provide top quality products and services. Our camera can easily be integrated with third-party software and hardware. We are also a trust partner with Crestron, Zoom, and Barcode. So let's see how Aver's AI auto tracking cameras can fit their requirements. Here's the PDC 310U. With a 4K 8-megapixel lens, it can provide a crystal clear image quality and deal with the low light scenarios. And the most powerful feature in the PDC 310U is that the cameras are built in with an AI chipset. It can recognize the human body and track the presenter or the teacher without wearing any accessories. We have 3 tracking modes on the PDC 310U. The first one is presenter mode. The camera focuses on the people. It gives the teachers the flexibility to leave the stage and interact with the students. The second one is zone mode. The camera focuses on the content. You can set up to 4 zones. And once the teacher moves between the design area, the camera will automatically move between the zones. And the third one is hybrid mode. We combine the presenter mode and the zone mode together. It tracks the content with the zone mode and automatically switches to the presenter mode if the teacher leaves the stage and interacts with the students. With these 3 tracking technologies in the classroom, I believe we can make the online teaching easier and we can build a hybrid learning environment together. Thank you for your listening. And for video conference part, I will hand over to Mr. Rossi. Hi, Rossi.
Hello. So back to our sales meeting, we know our main strategy for BB130 is to focus on its audio tracking function.
Hello, my name is Rusty. I'm in charge of the South Asia video conferencing business. Living in a time of COVID-19, our life has been changed by this virus massively. If meeting already in your daily schedule, I believe online meeting already become a daily essential for you. But webcams are just boring. We spent 2 years staring at our colleagues' pale faces and listening to their wife yell at kids in the background. That is definitely something you don't want to be into for the coming days. The prosperity of human beings are not coming from nowhere. It is in the nature of pursuing improvement and perfection. We improvise, adapt, then overcome. In Ever, we only create products from the view angle of consumers. Instead of just making ordinary webcams, we leverage our expertise in hardware development and years of diligent research in artificial intelligence. This is VB130, our latest hardware soundbar, and it is a multifunctional device built in a 4K camera, a speaker, and an intelligent lighting system. It detects the environmental lighting to adjust lighting level automatically, offering you a full range color temperature to all the environment. So you will no longer look like a zombie in a meeting. Your pretty face is your new trademark. Also, while work from home, it is invaluable that our meeting being interrupted by random sounds. It could come from the noise of a barking dogs, or maybe the crying baby in the next door. Our noise blocking technology provides audio fans that silence all the sound outside the meeting, allow you to stay focused, helping you to seize every business opportunity. Cherry on top, we managed to integrate a super smart AI system into this tiny gadget. When the audio track mode is on, its AI will memorize and mark the voice feature for each speaker and focus on their faces while they speak. Since the camera is controlled by AI automatically, no one has to have any contact with the remote, decreasing the chance of a COVID infection. Have a meeting in a smart, safe, and effortless manner. Last but not least, our software team has created a series of supporting apps, helping you to switch between different settings for different scenarios. Above all, it shortens the distance between people. Stay together, stay tight, we're strong.
Ever's virtual meeting system and AI automatic tracking camera offer incredible convenience for remote learning. Second, I'd like to introduce to you A-Vision. They not only excel in terms of office equipment, but also are a pioneer in the area of medical equipment.
Whether it's at home or the office, we all have moments where we need to manage documents. Scanners and printers can help us effectively handle those documents.
Hi folks, I'm Michael Chen from Origin. Today we would like to show you what Origin can provide our clients in image processing equipment and the digital office solutions.
For many years, Avision has focused on developing and manufacturing scanners, printers, and multifunction printers. Avision was established in 1991. With rich professional experience, strong R&D, and advanced manufacturing, Avision operates around the world with branch offices located across the globe. Professional R&D and excellent product quality have earned its recognition from global government departments and corporations. Avision enjoys partnership with 432 global enterprises, 107 public offices, and 26 government departments. Powerful R&D and reliable product quality have made Avision the first choice for top-tier companies. We have been engaged in long-term partnerships with top global enterprises. Avision is a key partner for 18 out of the world's top 20 scanner, printer, and multifunction printer companies.
Avision specializes in the design and the manufacturing of image products, from flatbed scanner, portable scanner, document scanner, to production scanners. The maximum speed can reach up to 130 pages per minute. We can produce the full range of scanner products. Besides scanners, we extend our product to output device. In recent years, we produced Taiwan's first laser printers, from A4, A3 size laser printer to the first A3 intelligent copier in the world.
Avision has 230 top-notch technical experts from around the world. Every year, we heavily invest into product R&D and improving quality control, giving us professional R&D technology and outstanding product quality.
We have devoted a lot of effort to develop breakthrough products and offer the competing solutions that fulfill the marketing needs in all the years. The development of printer and the scanner need to combine technology in multi-professional fields, such as precision machinery, opticals, and the system control. Also, we possess cutting-edge capability in chip design and the image processing algorithm development to ensure products that meet requirements for higher performance and excellent image quality. To gain a competitive edge in today's marketplace, we strive to improve our product quality, function, and make product differentiation. Product differentiation is what brings us a competitive advantage in the marketing and what makes Avision stand out from the competitive industry.
Each product undergoes rigorous environmental testing before leaving the factory. EMI and temperature testing, as well as testing for strain, ensure that a high product rate is maintained when shipping and that international standards are met.
Moreover, we work with other companies on medical devices. For example, Capsule endoscope, which cooperate with Capsule Vision. This system has got FDA, CE, and TFDA approval. The other one is a biochemical analyzer, which co-developed with Per Life.
The Capsule Cam Plus system provides 4 simple steps to an accurate diagnosis. The Capsule Cam plus small bowel capsule endoscope. The Capsule Retrieve Kit. Capsule Access, the Capsule Access System, and Capsule View. The user-friendly software used to view diagnostic images. In addition, all materials for Avision products meet RoHS green standards. We strive to prevent pollution and waste while recycling and reusing resources. We've established supply chain partnerships upstream, midstream, and downstream to create a social and corporate sustainable operation that is eco-friendly. We work to provide clients and consumers with innovative office and medical equipment, along with customized products and services, because satisfying client expectations is Avision's eternal commitment. Avision, a vision of your office.
In constructing smart cities, monitoring the water supply is crucial. Next, let's take a look at EMS, a manufacturer of smart water meters. These devices can help quickly detect leaks to reduce wasted resources.
Good day, my friends. I'm James Young, General Manager of EMS. I'm very happy to show you the great thing of smart water meter from Taiwan. Let's go!
When looking at this babbling stream or this massive waterfall, who could imagine the pain of not having water? But it's when water is plentiful that we need to think about this issue. With our planet's extreme climate, there are many areas that are either struggling with having too much water or suffering from not having enough water. Many countries are confronting water shortage issue. If we want to maintain a high quality of life, then we must start considering how to use smart technology to manage water resources. EMS is based in Tainan Technology Industrial Park. It is Taiwan's largest small water meter company and implements small water networks technology in Taiwan.
Water is one of life's 3 essential elements, along with sunshine and air. It's something that can't be produced artificially. Our bodies are made up of 70% water. So, water is absolutely essential for humans. That said, water shortages represent an international trend. This is especially true for Taiwan. Taiwan's annual rainfall is among the top in the world, but it is surprisingly number 19 in global rankings for water shortages. It even ranks higher than Saudi Arabia, which is number 26. For Taiwan, managing water resources is crucial. Now, from a management perspective, we ask, how do we put our energy into applying smart technology to water management and conserve water in an environment with this kind of water shortage issue? Applications for our products are not limited to water companies. It also covers places that need water resource management. Our aim for this smart water network not only involves replacing manual meter readings, but also solves a controversial issue that Taiwan's nearly 9 million water users are facing. We can use smart water networks to allow users to experience the kind of water security service concept that we are proposing, whether it's leaky piping or water leaking from equipment. Even if no one is at home, there will be some water usage or any number of abnormalities, like excessive water usage. We hope to use this smart water network to notify and remind people when needed so that they will manage and cherish their water resources.
EMS values the usage quality of its product, so we have brought in precise quality testing equipment and have worked with academic institutions to ensure that products can function in outdoor environments over a long period, and that the equipment maintains its accuracy and consistency.
The smart water meter from EMS is like a microcomputer or something similar to your smartwatch. It houses a number of smart functions. For example, it can accurately detect when a pipe in your house is leaking or whether you have abnormal water usage. It can even handle some periodic recording and analysis functions to assess whether your overall water usage is normal and reasonable. Basically, it can help you become a water manager.
We're now in the era of big data. EMAs use water meters and networks to empower users to manage their own water. Real-time data for leaks, busted pipes, abnormalities with water measurements provides a way to process and fix issues effectively.
EMS's water meter and data interface were researched and developed in-house. We are the only water meter company located at a tech park. We're also the only water meter company to use SMT production equipment. SMT production not only boosts productivity, but also maintains product quality. It enables us to move toward automated production for our smart water meters. In addition, we developed a patented integrated circuit for our water meter calculations. This can greatly decrease the space needed for electronic components, while also increasing the performance of our computations. This effectively turns every smart water meter into something like a smartwatch. Every aspect of this product demonstrates the benefit of smart technology.
The smart water meter and various interfaces undergo rigorous quality control over the course of production. For example, EMS uses AOI testing technology to replace manual inspection with robotic sensors that check products for external damage.
EMS isn't just focused on ensuring quality when delivering products. We care even more about the usage quality of our product once the customer installs it. Usually, a smart water meter and transmission interface will have a lifespan of 8 to 10 years when installed outside. Now, it might be installed in an environment that has sunlight, high temperatures, and ultraviolet rays. We can only guarantee that our product can be used outside with no problems.
Replace assessment tests for environmental pressure, temperature, and humidity to determine whether a product can be used for a long period of time. Issues with seasonal water shortage in Taiwan grow increasingly severe. This has led to EMS becoming a leader in the water resource revolution, as it shares experience in water management with the world.
Despite being a small company, EMS is stepping up to a global stage. It is making waves in the global water resource revolution. EMS started working with other countries that are a part of the new southbound policy in 2011, including Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Those countries use smart water meters from EMS for smart homes and other smart water management. We've even got to the point where we are working with South Africa and Ethiopia. Smart water meters have gradually led the world to recognize Taiwan's smart water network technology. I believe that EMS will continue making its way into global markets and demonstrate the advantages of Taiwan smart water meters.
EMS is a provider of comprehensive small water management solutions. It provides its iWater system, which allows for remote monitoring of water pressure and pressure change and provides data for water managers' decision-making.
While Taiwan may have a lot of rainfall, its mountainous topography means it is impossible to retain all that water. On top of that, the low price of water has led to people growing accustomed to wasting water. These two factors are what caused Taiwan's water shortage crisis. Beyond our hope that smart water management will prove effective for conserving water, we also call on everyone to value our water resources, to redefine the value of water. Taiwan's water problem isn't just about lacking it. Sometimes we have too much water, dirty water, or leakages. We hope our company's efforts, in conjunction with government policies, will allow us to utilize smart water networks to solve these water shortage crises. The smart water meter redefines the value of water resources. The final company I will be introducing today is InWin. This company offers both sustainability and innovation. They have reached the peak in manufacturing computer casings. Brace yourself for a tech feast combining innovation and sustainability. Join InWin on a journey that explores technology and aesthetics. Did you ever imagine you could make your own PC chassis? It's time to take on the challenge.
Air Force and Explorer, these two chassis were developed off of the same concept. We found that the majority of chassis on the market are designed in an A-sport style. As female industrial designers, we hope that everyone can move away from that more traditional image of a PC chassis and instead develop chassis that aren't gender-specific or ones that can be enjoyed by a person of any age. In doing so, we can close the gap between consumers and PC chassis, while also separating the chassis from eSport style on the market. These components are actually packaged separately, which reduce the package volume by 20-30%. On top of that, they're made of plastic, so they're lighter than chassis on the same volume. For the packaging design, we focus on providing protection, reducing volume, and protecting the environment. We work the idea of assembling into the product. The idea offers greater variety for the PC chassis and let gamers mix and match their preferred colors. Swapping out parts is also a breeze. Take the Explorer for example. Its red and blue colors can be swapped to on the top or bottom. The exterior of the Air Force is the same. It has many possible color combinations, so this composite design opens the door to endless possibilities for gamers. Pursuing the pinnacle of functionality and beauty, Inwin's M515 Pc Chassis uses a starlit cooler and panels for a delightful match between the internal and external. The design creates a fantastical visual experience.
For the N515 design concept, we took several lines and had them cut up different sections to create a fusion between texture and material. We used sputtering to coat the glass for prismatic lighting effect. The chassis tucks an element of warmth into its icy look that will wow the users. The manufacturing process for this lighting effect is complex. It presents us with a lot of challenges. In the top compartment of the N515 chassis, there is an independent vent for dispersing heat. This allows airflow to concentrate on the water block. The elliptical hole design of the fans pulls in greater airflow. It also produces a complete color effect as the air strikes fan with different glows. The side panel offers easy one-click activation, and the metal wiring is magnetic, allowing users to swap out parts easily. Inwin's innovation is driven by its focus on doing everything well. Perseverance that doesn't quit is how Inwin creates incredible usage experiences.
The 309 Gaming Edition features GlowX software. This software includes 3 classic games as well as a user creation mode. It also offers 8 classic lighting effects so that user can enjoy this PC chassis. There are 2 lighting effects that are particularly interesting, that produce light based on the sound the sensor perceives, like the fireworks style. The change in sound sets off fireworks. There are also this small chicken. As it detects different volumes, it will go into a crazy sprint. There is a button on the side that can be used to switch modes and adjust the lights, fan speeds, etc. There's one more thing. The panel and the fan lights are in sync. When the panels change, the internal fans will also change, depending on the color of the panel's light.
When we were imagining the B1 chassis, we decided to abandon the rectangular frame so as to reduce the cold feeling that comes from the equipment. We went with a bowl shape. The design steers away from metal brackets and is instead shaped with plastic. The tensions of the curved surface and the groove of the exterior creates a chassis that is lighter and offers a stronger structure. The 315 design emphasizes simplicity and personality. Its exterior combines aluminum alloy and glass. The surface of the alloy features a fine pattern and added color through the anodizing process. CNC milling is used to create diagonal edges for an amazing look. Inwin continually pursues top-notch technology to provide computer systems with a cooling performance that is unparalleled for the ultimate user experience. The BR liquid cooling system is not just for cooling the CPU, but also active VRM cooling. The fans for the water block lower the temperature for power components around the motherboard and mechanical thermal areas. This allows the CPU to achieve even better performance while also extending the life of the motherboard. The funnel shape of this design was inspired by tornadoes. The vents are designed in a spiral shape. The internal fans increase airflow. The pump for the BR water cooling system separates the water block and the cooler to increase thermal performance and reduce vibration noise. For a gentle light, there's the Luna fan. The mold of the blades have a light diffusion agent injected into it to create a milky colored surface. The R&D team worked through several blade parameters and operating hours to produce the best PQ curve for thermal performance with strong airflow and pressure. InWin strikes the balance between style and innovation and adheres to an eco-friendly mindset. With InWin's focus and innovation, its superior products are here to stay. With a population of over 1.3 billion, India is more than double that of 10 ASEAN countries' combined population. There are so many indications of India's limitless potential and importance. It's not a stretch to say India will lead the world's development in the future. Taiwan possesses a strength that has been gained through 30 years of work in the world's industry chains. With the accelerated pace of development for smart technologies, Taiwan hopes to be a key partner for India and join hands with India to reach greater heights. Thank you for joining us today. This is the end of 2021 Online Taiwan Expo in India. We look forward to seeing even more amazing companies.
In the face of a worldwide pandemic, Taiwan has actively lent a helping hand to the world. Taiwan Global Anti-COVID-19 Pavilion. In this website, we've created an anti-epidemic products and solution providers section where you can find information about suppliers or any particular business solutions. This section will help you reach out to more than 2,000 Taiwanese companies who can aid in your fight against the pandemic. In these videos, companies and experts discuss the latest innovations to help combat the pandemic. In this section, we've put at your disposal the contact information of 20 Taiwanese top medical institutions. We also inform you about the main strategies used in Taiwan to effectively control and stop the spread of the virus. So please be sure to bookmark and share this website. And remember to follow us on Facebook for our latest updates.